save my soul.
Hey guys, Randi White here down in Austin, Texas, and I'm going to do a really fun thing with my family today. We're going to go on a boat ride called the Water Monkeys, and so we are down here at VIP Marina at Valente Beach, and we're going to take a small boat ride out to this magnificent boat, the Water Monkeys boat, filled with trampolines, water slides, rope swings, all kinds of stuff. So you guys got to come and check this out with me.
Another great day in Austin. So we made it out on the boat, took a ferry out here. It's awesome. Got my family running wild and, ragged. And I am here with AJ, the runner of the ship.
Yes.
And I would love for you to tell us some things about it.
So yes, this is the monkey float. We have 2 trampolines, a rope swing, 14-foot jump off pad, and also a water slide.
Where are we? What is this?
Yeah.
There's a lot of
This
boats.
is Devil's Cove. This is a small Saturday right here, but still to the average person looks like a lot of boats.
Really? Is it small?
Oh, busy Saturday would be double that. Easily. So we stay up here out of that so families can enjoy it as well. So that's a big thing that we do too.
And what kind of events do you see hosted on this boat? Who would come here?
Oh, so we get a lot of birthday parties. That's the main thing is birthday parties.
Birthday parties?
But
Okay.
we've had bridal showers. What is that? I'm sorry, bachelorette parties.
Yeah.
And also the other side of that. whatever the
Bachelor
term-
parties?
Yeah, bachelor parties as well. It's just really for fun and partying. That's the main thing.
Thank you so much for
Absolutely.
telling us a little bit about your boat. We're ready to have a good time.
Yes, ma'am.
Good night, Tite.
Alright, so we had a really fun day on Lake Travis. I really love Water Monkeys. It's my second time to use those guys actually because I know it's always going to be fun for just about everybody. We had age 2 all the way up to age 60. Everybody's having a great time. My uncle's farting in the background.